This chapter will cover off cleaning the Agrowdrill. In this, I will walk you guys through the procedure to correctly clean and store your Agrowdrill to ensure longevity. As you can see here, we can open the gates, which are found on the right-hand side of our machine, all the way up to box cleaning. And this will open the gate, which is a flap that sits under the seed roller, all of the way. Once we open the lever up all of the way, all of our seed flow out through our tube, and all that we need to do is jump up and sweep out any of the excess seed that may be sitting up on the edge of the veranda or in between the outlets. A handy tip when cleaning out your box: if you have finished sowing the paddock that you're in and you're not going to sow that variety again, you can open up your gates if it's only a small amount of seed and just let it flow out on a headland as you leave the paddock, rather than trying to collect the seed and leave it in the shed just for the mice to eat. Now that we've swept our box clean and it's free of any debris, seed or fertilizer, we can give the outlets and rollers a light spray with an inox or WD-40 to prevent any corrosion when we're storing this in the shed in the off season. If you have any further questions or concerns, please refer to the operator's manual or contact us or your Agrowplow authorised dealer.